Hi there, Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's weekly trading video. Now, a lot's happened politically and economically, not just for the pound, but across the financial markets. As many of you would be paying attention, politically, we've got new leadership votes for the Tory party. Economically, obviously the pound's dropping due to some political instability in the government, and obviously people are not happy at all with the current Brexit situation, which has obviously been ongoing for a while now. So let's have a look at this week's trade, see if we've managed to pick some pips out from the market, even with all this movement and with this uncertainty from a political standpoint. We've had a couple of trades trigger. We've had Australian dollar trade trigger, and we've had an oil trade trigger. So I know sometimes we don't show that many commodities on here, but the system does have commodities on. So before I show you the actual trades, I'm going to take you to our members area. Now the members area is essentially where we will be providing you with analysis every single day. So what we specialize in doing here is we provide one-to-one training and we provide analysis, our members area. So you can log into this floor for support each and every day, each and every morning. Now, with regard to the members area, it provides you with long-term analysis, it provides you with intraday analysis, and daily trading setups. So, if you are working full-time, you don't have a lot of time to spend to trade, you can essentially come onto here, pick the levels, place your orders, and off you go. Okay, obviously, we provide you the one-to-one training to then teach you how to do that independently, so you're not always dependent upon the members area. So as we scroll on down, as you can see, we've sort of got the daily charts provided here. We've then got our important trading zone levels. Scrolling on down, we've got a sort of fundamental view of the markets and then individual fundamentals for each currency pair. So you can see it's really in-depth information on each pair that we're providing here. So you should get a really good market sentiment on where the direction of the markets is going. So now let's go to our algorithm. And let's go to the actual trades themselves. So the first trade was on oil, which was on Monday. Okay, this was a third zone trade. So if you watched any of our previous videos, you'll know that we have a third zone trading strategy. The third zone trading strategy is as simple as it sounds. As you can see, you've got buy and sell zones going up and down the chart here. This is what the algorithm produces. The third zone trading strategy is simply trading the third zone from the start of the day. So the one on Monday, as you can see, you've got sell zone 1, sell zone 2, sell zone 3. So it goes into sell zone 3. That is then your signal to take a trade. Okay, you would then take a trade to go short there as it's a sell zone. Obviously it's an oil trade, so you're going to be having a slightly wider stop loss. So you can see that the entry of the zone here is at 63.05. The highest the price gets to is 63.3. And then you can see obviously tanks off from there. Okay, so for oil, you normally want to have around a 50 tick stop loss. So obviously that's well within the 50 ticks there. 63.05 or to 63.3, it's only about 30 ticks or so there. So nothing really too much to worry about in terms of stop loss, and in the end had a massive reversal. Normally for reversals on oil, you normally want to go for around a 1-to-1, maybe a little bit more on the intraday side because it is slightly more volatile than the currencies. We then had the Australian dollar trade, which was one of our important trading zone trades. This is sort of where we pick the trading level for you based on the buy and sell zones, and we label it on the chart to make things even easier for you. You come to this trade here, you can see it pops into this zone and reverses in excess of our 20 pip target. So exactly what we're looking for. So one trade on oil, one trade on Aussie. So really, not many trades triggering this week, even with the movement there. Which is probably a good thing. You don't want to be trading too much anyway around this sort of movement in the market. But looking at around 70 pips just from 2 trades. So very, very happy with the trade so far. It's all about trading efficiency, and not the number of trades that you take. What we're doing is we're providing completely free demonstrations on the trading members area and sort of what we provide on the one-to-one mentoring, we're providing this on our website, which is platinumtradingacademy.com. The way that we're providing that is you can either leave your details there to book a consultation on the homepage, or you can click on the top right hand corner where it says free consultation. Okay. Pop in your details there. You can also leave your details in the live chat here on the right hand side. We've got a little live chat on the bottom right. You can also leave your details in there if you wish to, and we'll get in touch with you. Just let us know a time and date to give you a call so it's convenient for you. We don't want to be calling you whilst you're busy at work or anything like that. And we'll take you through a full 30-minute to an hour call. It's a screen sharing call, so we do the call via Skype or screen sharing software, depending on what's easiest for you. So look, just want to say thank you very much for watching today's video. Do really appreciate that. And if you do have any questions, please just fire us an email in or leave your details, and we'll be more than happy to answer anything for you. But otherwise, we wish you all an absolutely wonderful weekend, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.